G'day and welcome back to the Aussie Motorhome and RV show, powered by RV3D, Australia's custom 3D printing specialists for caravans, motorhomes and RVs. Find them at rv3d.com.au. Episode 7. The Winter Power Diet, Managing Solar Shortfalls in June and July. A listener planning their first winter off-grid trip asked, "Everyone keeps telling us our solar won't be enough. How do we know if they're right?" The honest answer, for a lot of setups, no. Summer performance doesn't translate to winter, but with the right approach, winter off-grid travel is absolutely achievable. The people who struggle are the ones who didn't plan for the difference. 3 things work against you simultaneously in winter. Shorter days mean fewer production hours. Lower sun angles mean panels aren't hitting optimum angle for as long. And in cloudy regions, Tasmania, southern Victoria, parts of South Australia, cloud cover dramatically reduces output. A system producing 400 amp hours per day in Queensland summer might produce 150 in cloudy winter Tasmania. That's a massive difference. And most people size their systems based on summer experience or optimistic calculator estimates. To know where you stand, start with your daily consumption. Every appliance, how long you run it, its wattage. Add it all up. That's your daily load in watt hours. Then calculate realistic winter solar production for your specific location and panel size, using an online calculator that factors in sun hours by month. The gap between those two numbers is what you need to fill with battery storage or alternative charging. Most people haven't done this calculation. They bought a system that felt right and assume it'll work year-round. Consumption management becomes critical in winter. The power diet, deliberately auditing and reducing consumption during periods of low production. In summer, you might run the inverter freely, charge everything, run fans all night. In winter, you need to be deliberate. Heating is the big load. Diesel heaters run fans and controls that draw power continuously. Hidden loads like inverter standby draw, battery chargers left plugged in, and devices on standby add up significantly over 24 hours. If solar isn't enough, 3 options fill the gap. Vehicle alternator charging while driving. If you're moving regularly, this contributes meaningfully. A generator for deliberate charging sessions. Run it for 2 hours in the morning, charge the batteries, turn it off. Or powered sites when you need a recovery day. Most serious off-grid travelers through winter carry a small, quiet inverter generator as backup. It's not admitting defeat on solar. It's having a sensible plan for conditions where solar genuinely can't deliver. Panel positioning helps more in winter than summer. A flat-mounted roof panel optimized for high summer sun angles performs poorly at low winter angles. Tiltable panels or even parking your rig to optimize panel angle toward the winter sun can meaningfully improve production. Some travelers carry a portable panel they can position optimally. The practical winter power plan. Do the consumption audit and know your actual daily load. Calculate realistic winter solar production for your location. Not summer figures. Identify your gap and decide how you'll fill it. Audit standby and continuous loads and eliminate unnecessary ones. And have a low power protocol ready. If state of charge drops below 40%, know exactly which loads you'll shed first. Pre-decided, not made under stress with flat batteries. The travelers who handle winter power well planned for it before they left. The gear is ahead of the knowledge for a lot of people. A large solar system and a big lithium bank doesn't automatically mean you're self-sufficient year-round. Next episode, the big manufacturing debate. Local Aussie builds versus the import wave. Is Australian manufacturing still worth the premium or have imports genuinely caught up? This has been the Aussie Motorhome and RV show powered by RV3D. For custom 3D printed parts built for Australian conditions, visit rv3d.com.au. That's rv3d.com.au. Safe travels, and we'll see you next episode.